Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a powerful compact desktop that packs serious performance into a tiny footprint, the GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC 2026. If you've been searching for a mini PC that actually performs like a full desktop without the space, noise, or power draw, this one deserves your full attention. Inside this small aluminum chassis, you're getting the 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13600H, a 14-core hybrid processor built for multitasking, creation, office workloads, and even light editing or gaming. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD, the IT13 boots fast, opens apps instantly, and handles multiple displays without lag. And speaking of displays, this mini PC supports quad monitor output, thanks to 2x USB 440 Gbps ports plus HDMI, making it perfect for productivity setups, stock trading, coding, or creators who need screen real estate. Connectivity is another strong point. You get Wi-Fi 6E, Gigabit Ethernet, Bluetooth, and even an SD card slot, something most compact PCs have removed. Storage is expandable, RAM is upgradable, and the entire unit runs efficiently with surprisingly low fan noise. The IT13 is also positioned as an Intel NUC13 replacement, giving you top-tier performance in a stable, compact, long-life form factor. For offices, home workstations, or students needing portability and speed, this mini PC checks every box. If you need a small but powerful computer that's reliable for everyday tasks, editing, coding, business use, and multi-monitor setups, the GEEKOM IT13 is easily one of the best mini PCs of 2026. If you want to upgrade your workspace with compact power, check it out using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More tech reviews are on the way.